but it's already time to start thinking about at least getting the kids ready for school.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not at all. I don't want the summer to end.
Oh, you or Kim Covington. She has some great ideas to pass along so your student will be ready when the first bell rings. Kim.
Oh, it's getting exciting. Every parent's ritual this time of year, back to school shopping. Now it's getting more high tech, along with notebooks and pencils, cell phones, laptops, PDAs. Ken Colburn is here with Data Doctors with the latest gizmos and gadgets. Thank you so much for joining us.
You bet.
You know, when I was going to college, we had typewriters. Now you got all this stuff. Let's start right here. Now this is really cool.
Well, let's face it. Our kids are in the iPod generation at this point, so everybody's got these iPods.
Yep.
Dorm rooms, space is a premium, so finding multifunctional devices is really important. With an iPod, you can plug that into these new sound systems.
Cool.
And so this becomes a whole dorm kind of entertainment system here. I don't know if we can get that volume up there so you can hear.
Hey.
And then it actually can go from that, if that's too big, you can actually get a full sound system that's also an alarm clock that you can wake up to your favorite iPod songs.
Wow. How much are these?
From $199 to $349 for the...
That's not ridiculous.
Well, if you consider that it's a multifunctional device, it tends to be a little more cost effective.
And space is premium in a small dorm room.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Speaking of space, this is the thing we talked about last year that a lot of parents still don't know about. This little tiny thing looks like a stick of gum. This is absolutely critical that these students have this. This is what's called a flash drive. You can see this little cap comes off and you plug it into a computer and you can copy all of your documents and what have you onto this. The reason that's important, you need to be able to go from class to lab to so on and so forth. Or, you know, it's never been easier to cheat.
And don't say that. Well, that 4 years of homework documents on this little contraption.
All the dissertations, all the stuff that they're
awesome. Awesome. Now, if you're looking for wireless capabilities, this is important.
These students are going to end up in a new neighborhood that they're not real familiar with, and this is another little tiny device that you can stick in your laptop bag, and instead of pulling your laptop out to see is there a wireless connection here, this thing here will actually scan the airwaves and say, hey, there's a wireless open connection that's publicly accessible, and then you pop your laptop out and go. So since you're in a new neighborhood or in a new area, if they're going off to school, this is a quick way to find out, can I get online?
We got 10 seconds. I think kids are going to go nuts over this.
This is just a way to, you know, everybody's going to have an iPod. Why not personalize it? There's two reasons. One, it's cool. Two, a little easier to figure out whose iPod is whose. And then, of course, you know, show your school colors there.
That's like $20.
About $20 to have that at your Mac.
We got so much more to talk about. Come back at 6 o'clock and we'll explain the rest. About 6:30, I think we'll have you on.
Good.
Thanks so much. Ken Colburn, Data Doctors. And a reminder, our School Solutions phone bank is